What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover everything Web3 and crypto related. If the project has some type of potential, some type of hype, we're going to be checking it out on the channel. It could be altcoins, it could be meme coins. We're going to dive into it. Now in this video, we're going to be checking out DragonKing. Before we dive in, get any further into the video, guys, always remember, none of this is investment or financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. 100% community driven token that leads us into 2023 with an impressive start. DragonKing is a BEP20 community token built on the Binance Smart Chain with transaction taxes of 6% on the buy and sell. DragonKing chart, BSC scan, and pancake swap. So it's community driven and BSC based ecosystem. This is completely DeFi, liquidity locked, community driven, hold and earn, and security. Auto earning up to 3% from transaction fees, rewards in your wallet, deflationary token designed to be more scarce over time. DragonKing holders hold more than 15 billion will earn USDT that is automatically sent to your wallet by simply holding DragonKing coins in your wallet. So they're using transaction taxes to send a USDT for earning passive income on the project. There's a how to buy DragonKing, obviously through Binance Smart Chain, pancake swap, and they have 3% for the dividends, 2% for marketing, 0.5% for liquidity, and 0.5% for burning. They have a roadmap as well that they're completing. Nice stuff. They have a very detailed roadmap. Okay, interesting stuff. Let's take a look at the Twitter, see what we got. 2,300 followers on Twitter 5 hours ago, recently tweeting out a few hours ago. That's nice. And big accounts talking about the project. So they are 3.5 trillion DragonKing burnt. They are doing burns as well, getting the community hyped right here. 1,400 token holders, great wallet distribution. Binance BSC has great wallet distribution, man. 14k holders, very nice stuff. Trust wallet logo update. So the project is building, man. You just never know how far a project like this could go. Recently listed on Nomics as well. Okay, new token listing, ntm.ai, BSC gem alert. So yeah, very active on Twitter, nice engagement from the community. And what really piqued my interest is the chart. Had its launch, came back down, went sideways for a bit, and now it's making more moves to the upside. $6.6 million in market cap, 159k, 24-hour trade volume. Is it listed on any exchanges? Not sure if it could. Not as yet. Hopefully they do. Hopefully they do get some exchange listings. But $6 million, 9 million according to CMC Dex Tools is saying 6.6 million. Either way, you could have some potential upside here because the holders of this project are holding. You guys are holding this project, man, for it to make these types of moves to the upside, right? So it's like 3 to 4x up from this bottom here in April. So, you know, could have a bit more, could have much more upside in the future. DragonKing holders, let me get your thoughts on the project. If you you know, any comments you think of the project, where could the team improve, what could the community do better, you know, just have a discussion in the comment section. If you checked out the video, you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I gotta say, man, wish nothing but success for DragonKing project. The chart looks very bullish to me, man. That's, like I said, that's what piqued my interest. The chart looks super bullish. So yeah, guys, everything DragonKing and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.